In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Squarespace Circle member. Whether you're a freelancer looking to expand your network, or a designer eager to deepen your professional roots in the Squarespace community, joining the Squarespace Circle can be a fantastic move. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to become a member. To get started, you first need to have been involved with building or actively contributing to at least 3 Squarespace websites. This requirement is crucial because it demonstrates your expertise and understanding of the platform. If you don't have this experience yet, consider taking on a few client projects or collaborating with others to get there. It's a great way to not only hone your skills, but also build a solid portfolio that you can showcase when applying to the Circle. Once you have that experience under your belt, head over to the Squarespace Circle website. Here, you'll find all the information and resources needed to submit your application. You'll be prompted to log in with your existing Squarespace credentials, which helps Squarespace verify your past work. This step is your chance to showcase your talents, so make sure your profile is comprehensive and up to date. Fill out your profile with care, clearly detailing your contributions and any noteworthy projects. This is where you can really stand out, so it's worth spending some extra time here to make it as polished as possible. After you've submitted your application and completed your profile, Squarespace will take the reins. They'll review your submission to verify your eligibility based on your website contributions. This review is an essential part of the process, as Squarespace wants to ensure that all Circle members have a genuine understanding and experience with their platform. The waiting period can vary, but know that they're ensuring each applicant upholds the standard that Squarespace is known for. In the meantime, it might be helpful for you to explore additional resources or community forums related to Squarespace. Engaging with these resources can not only provide valuable learning opportunities, but also connect you with other like-minded individuals who share your passion for design and Squarespace. Remember, becoming part of the Squarespace Circle is more than just a title. It's an opportunity to access exclusive resources, connect with other professionals, and gain insights that can further enhance your work. Once you've been accepted, you'll find yourself in a community that supports growth, creativity, and innovation. So take pride in your application, and I wish you the best of luck as you embark on this new phase of your Squarespace journey.